Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if the remote control isn't working correctly with your JVC Smart TV. First of all, grab your remote control and check if the batteries are good in it. Maybe you should replace the batteries. Generally speaking, while you're doing all of this stuff, you can use your smartphone as a remote control for your TV using the Fire TV application. And if you need some guidance on how to use your smartphone as a remote control, you can check out the self-titled video on our channel. So the video titled how to use your smartphone as a remote control for JVC Smart TV. And then using your smartphone, you can go to settings, you can go to remotes and Bluetooth devices, voice remote with Alexa, and if you find your voice remote with Alexa on the list, you'll also be able to check the current battery level of your remote control. Now, if you don't see your remote control in here, then you should definitely pair your remote control with your TV. To do that, just hold down the home button on your remote control for about 10 seconds. You will see the pairing request on your TV screen. You're just gonna have to accept it, and then your TV will be connected with your remote control, and this should resolve the issue. Now, in some cases, you may have to repair your remote control with your TV, and in order to do this, you're gonna have to go through the specific list of steps. First of all, turn off your TV. You can use the physical button beneath your TV to turn it off. So let's go to power menu by short pressing the power button beneath the TV, and then press power button once again until you select power off. Hold your finger down on the power button and this will switch off the TV. Now, next we're gonna have to unplug the TV from the power source and leave it like this for 1 minute. Then let's proceed with the following steps. Okay, so after a minute of your device being turned off, let's hold down the specific combination of keys on the remote control, the menu button, the left arrow key, and the return button. Press and hold these three buttons simultaneously for 12 seconds. So let's count together: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Then we can release all of these buttons, and then we're gonna have to remove the batteries from the remote control. So let's open the back cover of it and remove the batteries from here. And after that, we're gonna have to plug the TV back into the power outlet and wait for a couple of seconds, and then power it on using the physical button beneath your TV. And now let's wait until the TV is turned on, and once the TV is turned on, you're gonna have to wait for a couple more minutes until you see the remote not detected notification. Okay, so basically once your TV is restarted, if you see the notification about your remote not being detected, just reinsert the batteries into your remote control and then hold down the home button, and after a couple of seconds you will receive a notification about repairing your remote control. Accept it, and after that your remote control should be reconnected with your TV. If even this doesn't help you, then at this point this might be a hardware issue with your remote control, and in such case you can either use your smartphone as a substitute or buy yourself a new remote control for your TV. And that's it for this video. I hope that it helps you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.